and welcome to our series all about Wix invoices. Today, we're going to dive into creating a revenue report right in Wix. This is perfect for keeping sharp track of how much your business has billed. Just a friendly heads up, Wix recommends consulting an accountant about any taxes collected and other additional tax obligations. Anyway, with that out of the way, let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Getting Paid and go to Invoices. On this page, go to More Actions and click View Reports. Since we will be creating a revenue report, we will click Create a Report under the Revenue Summary. Now, here on the Date Range section, set your preferred start date and your preferred end date. And here on the Revenue dropdown, select a report type, accrual basis or cash basis. Cash basis displays data on invoices paid during the date range, and accrual basis displays data on all invoices sent during the date range, including both paid and unpaid. So select an option. Once you're done setting these things up, the report will show up right over here. And you can then print this report, or you can export it as a CSV file. It's up to you which option you want to do. And that's it. That's how you create a revenue report on your Wix site. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.